The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Hello दोस्तों, my name is Farhan Hussain and it is my first YouTube video. I'm shooting my first video and the reason to come here over YouTube. So I am going to just guide you some English grammar, basic grammar, as I am not a teacher, English teacher, English faculty, but yes, I am a guider of you in English grammar. So, what is English? So, English is a globalized language. As you know, in today's life, everywhere, everyone, we are talking about a world. So, in this world, English is the most speaking language today in the world. So, if you want success in your life, so you should speak in English, and it is very important that you have to speak in English in everywhere. You can use English in school, you can use English in offices. If you really want a good job, like if you want a job in MNC, you should speak English. You have to speak English. So if you are not speaking English, then you never get a best opportunity, you never get a best job in your life. So if you seriously want to succeed in your life, so you should try to speak English. So I just want to tell you one thing, and if you seriously want success, so just start. But where the question again, one question created that where we can speak English, we can make practice to English. So the main thing is that you have to practice English every day, you have to speak English every day. But where we can speak English, so you have, first of all, you have to start. Where we can start, how we can start? So this is the question made by us, everyone, everywhere, that how can we start speaking English, where we can practice. So you should try to take some small steps day by day. Like if you want something to eat, like you are feeling hungry, what would you do? You can say that I am feeling hungry, so speak the word hungry, like hungry, I am feeling hungry. Then word, just look at your nearby things and just think that this is mobile. So just try to make that thing says mobile. So what is it? This is mobile. Please try to make at least 10-15 sentences every day. If you get anything, you should take anything like mobile. You can take mobile and say that you should make 10 sentences over mobile. Like this is my mobile, this is Samsung mobile, or you can make any sentences. It is your responsibility. How can you write the sentences? So here I am not a teacher of English, but yes, I am a guider. I will guide you. So here I will do one thing. The best thing, the first thing, you can say that first thing to do anything is the basic. You should have the knowledge of basic everything. If we are talking about English, so we will talk about English. If you want to speak English, so you should know the basic of English. How can you that? So you should know the basic of grammar. What is the grammar? So grammar is the main base where we can make sentences. How can we make sentences? So it, by the help of grammar, we make the sentences. So if you seriously want to speak English, so you should know the basic grammar. So here I am going to teach you, not teach you, guide you, or I will give you some rules, some grammar rules, basic rules. I will teach you here some basic grammar, and after that, after some time, when you get the basic knowledge of grammar, we will go advanced level, and I will tell you everything where you have to practice everyday English, or you have to do anything like how can you read, how can you write English, where can you write English, where can you speak English day by day, and what type of movies you should watch for improving your English speaking. So the first thing I would like to say that first of all you have to start practice. you have to start using English in day by day, day-to-day life. Like if you are in office, so don't think about that. How can we use English? So if you are in office, so you can say that just think in your mind and think that I am going to washroom, I am going to drinking water. So just think this thing, what I am doing, where I am this time, this is lunch time, this is office time, or I want a leave tomorrow. So this thing, this type of small sentence, please start with the small sentences, small things. After that you will get the best knowledge, advanced level. After 1 or 2 months you definitely get improvement in yourself, you feel improvement in yourself. But it is very simple thing that first of all you have to start. So guys, I will teach you every day 5 minutes grammar here. And if you seriously like this video, it is so please share, like and subscribe my video. And if you have any doubt, please WhatsApp me, and my WhatsApp number is 8527803776. 8527803776. That's it, right? Bye bye, take care.